Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the online world offers a plethora of options. However, navigating this vast landscape can be overwhelming without proper guidance. From freelancing and online marketplaces to passive income streams and affiliate marketing, we will cover essential strategies to set you on the path to success. 1. Freelancing, leveraging your skills. Freelancing is an excellent way to earn cash online by capitalizing on your existing skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, numerous platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking specific expertise. Websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a platform for freelancers to showcase their skills and connect with potential clients. To succeed in the freelancing world, it's crucial to create a compelling profile, build a strong portfolio, and consistently deliver high-quality work. 2. Online marketplaces, selling products and services. Another avenue to explore for earning cash online is through online marketplaces. These platforms allow you to sell physical products and digital goods, or offer various services. Popular online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Shopify provide opportunities to reach a large customer base and establish a profitable business. To succeed in the online marketplace, it's essential to conduct market research, identify trending products, optimize your listings, and provide excellent customer service. 3. Passive income streams, generating revenue on autopilot. Passive income streams are an attractive option for earning cash online as they allow you to generate revenue on autopilot. This involves creating digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or software, and selling them through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Alternatively, you can invest in dividend-paying stocks, real estate crowdfunding, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. Building passive income streams requires initial effort, but once set up, they can provide a steady income with minimal ongoing work. 4. Affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning commissions. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to earn cash online by promoting products or services and earning commissions for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Many companies, including Amazon, have affiliate programs that allow individuals to earn a percentage of the revenue generated from their referrals. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to select a niche, build a website or blog, create valuable content, and leverage various marketing strategies to drive traffic and conversions. 5. Online surveys and microtasks, supplemental income opportunities. For those looking for quick and easy ways to earn cash online, participating in online surveys and microtasks can be a viable option. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer opportunities to earn small amounts of money by completing surveys, watching videos, or performing simple tasks. While these methods may not provide substantial income, they can serve as supplemental income sources or fill idle time. 6. Blogging and content creation, monetizing your passion. If you have a passion for writing or creating content, starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a fulfilling way to earn cash online. By providing valuable and engaging content, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize your platform through advertising, sponsorships, or selling digital products. Building a successful blog or YouTube channel requires consistency, quality content, effective promotion, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Earning cash online offers limitless possibilities for individuals seeking financial independence or supplemental income. Whether you choose freelancing, online marketplaces, passive income streams, affiliate marketing, online surveys, or content creation, it's important to approach these opportunities with dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt and learn. Remember, consistency, perseverance, and a commitment to providing value are key ingredients for online success.